Hey guys, welcome back to my another video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to change laptop and desktop username. So before you start the video, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more these types of important videos. So let's get start the video. If I here click on the start button, as you can see it's the username of my laptop. So for changing it, if I go to the settings, and from here if I go to the account option, you can see there is not any option for change the username. So what you need to do, just get back from here and go to the search bar and type here control panel. Open this control panel. Now from here go to the user account. After that from here again go to the user account. Then here you can see there is the option change your account name. Click on it. Now type here your new username. I'm gonna type here a username. Then click on change name. You can see here my username is changed. So just get back. Now if I go to the account from my settings, here you can see this username is not changed. So for fix it, just get back and start your laptop. After you start your computer, if you again go to the account option, as you can see now my username is changed. So from like this way you can easily change your laptop and desktop username. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button of this video. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment. I will try my best to help you. Thanks for watching this video.